Next one is example 1.7. So in our question is the length and breadth of a rectangle are 5.7 plus or minus 0.1 centimeter and 3.4 plus or minus 0.2 centimeter respectively. Calculate the area of the rectangle with error limit. First let us consider the rectangular shape. So this is rectangular shape. So this is L, this is breadth. So length values are given in our question. The value is 5.7 plus or minus 0.1 centimeter. Okay, and then the breadth values are given B equal to 3.4 plus or minus 0.2 centimeter. So in our question is calculate the area of the rectangle. So calculate the area of the rectangle. So this is calculate the area of the rectangle with error limit. So area with some error limit. Okay, that is delta A. First let us find out this area. Okay, so first you find out this area of this rectangle. So area of the rectangle, area of the rectangle is A equal to, formula is L into B. So length value is, so this is L. So this is our measured length L, some error is delta L. So here the breadth value is, measured value is B with some error, so that is called delta B. Okay, so here L value is 5.7 into breadth value is B 3.4. so if you multiply and we'll get the answer is 19.4 centimeter square. So this is the area of the rectangle value, 19.4 centimeter square. Then you will find out error, that means delta A. So to find delta A, so here to find out delta A, you have to use the formula for error in the product of two quantities. So the general expression is delta Z divided by Z equal to plus or minus del A divided by A plus del B divided by B. So here now we are going to use this same formula for this L into B. So instead of del Z divided by Z, I am using area. So here del A divided by what? A equal to plus or minus, the instead of del A divided by A, I am using L. So here del L divided by L plus instead of del B divided by B, I am using here B. So here del B divided by B. So I want to calculate a error area, isn't it? So this equation become del A equal to, so the A moving go that side, so plus or minus del L divided by L plus del B divided by B into A. So here plus or minus, so del L value what? Del L value is 0.1. So 0.1 divided by L value is 5.7. So L value is 5.7 plus del B value what? Del B value is 0.2. So 0.2 divided by B value what? B value where? 3.4. So 3.4 into A value already find out 19.4. 19.4. Okay, and plus or minus, after the simplification the result is 0.0175 plus, here after the simplification the result is 0.0588 into 19.4. okay, if add and multiply this value, finally we will get the result as 1.48. this is approximately plus or minus 1.5. so this is in our error area. Okay, so now our question is calculate the area of the rectangular with error limit. So finally the area with error limit, so here area with error limit, area with error limit is A plus or minus del A. So A value is 19.4 plus or minus del A value is 1.5 centimeter square. So this is the area with error limit is 19.4 plus or minus 1.5 centimeter square. Thank you. Next the example is 1.8. So in our question is the voltage across the wire is 100 plus or minus 5 volt and the current passing through it is 10 plus or minus 0.2 ampere. So find the resistance of the wire. So first let us consider this is resistance of this wire. In this wire the voltage across the wire is V equal to, the given value is 100 plus or minus 5 volt. Then the current passing through the circuit. So here current passing through the circuit. So here I equal to, so the value is 10 plus or minus 0.2 ampere. Then find the resistance. So this is the resistance value. So R equal to R plus or minus delta R. So here this is the observed value with some error. So that is your indicator. So this is observed value plus some error, that is plus or minus del V. So here also this is I plus or minus del I. Okay, and also resistance R plus or minus del R. But now I find out the resistance of this wire. First let us see, find out this R. So according to our Ohm's law, V equal to I R. So I want to calculate R only. So this equation become like this. So R equal to V divided by I. So here R equal to V value what? V value 100. I value what? I value is 10. Simplify this. So R value is 10 ohm. Next you will find out the error of the resistance, that is delta R. So for that we have to use the formula for a error in division. So this is error in division of two quantities. The general expression is del z divided by z is equal to del a divided by a plus del b divided by b. Okay, this is general expression for this division of two quantities. So this general expression are used in this equation r equal to v divided by I. So here instead of del z divided by z, I am using r. So here del r divided by r equal to, instead of del a divided by a, I am using v. So here del v divided by v plus, instead of del b divided by b, I am using I. So here del I divided by I. Okay, so here whether it is the numerator and denominator, so you should follow these rules, that is add only. Okay, so this is the formula. So here the value is, so I want to calculate del r only. So this equation become like this, del r equal to r moving that side, so del v divided by v plus del I divided by I into r. So here del v value what? Del v value is 5. V value is what? 100. Plus del I value what? Del I value is 0.2. I value what? I value is 10. Into r value is 10. So here after the simplification the value is 0.05. Then here after the simplification the value is 0.02 into 10. So if you add this, 0.07 into 10, so the value is 0.7. This is del r. This is delta r. So now our aim is to find out the resistance. So the value of the resistance r equal to r plus or minus del r. So here r value is 10. Then plus or minus del r value what? Del r value is 0.7. So here the total resistance 10 plus or minus 0.7 ohm. This is the total resistance of this wire. Thank you.